TXGA Industrial Electronic RJ45 connector. Its design conforms to the IEEE802.3 design standard of large network. Pays attention to the safety and reliability of communication. Products include shielded and unshielded. Multi-port superimposed combination according to the customer's applicable space. In embedded industrial control systems. Not only meet the 10 megabits per second per 100 megabits per second network interface in conventional applications, but also meet the 1000 megabits per second network terminal transmission rate to cope with the rapid development of CPU. A variety of installation methods are available. Top entry, side entry, sinking plate, etc. From TXGA Electronics RJ45 series.